Hello children, in this video today I am going to explain the laws of exponents. So one by one I am going to tell you in detail, okay, the laws of exponents, because it is needed. You should know the laws of exponents in order to simplify the algebraic expression, or while multiplying or dividing the algebraic expressions. That's why in this video I am going to tell you the laws of exponents. Okay, the first law, that is the rule of product. Okay, in this, when the bases are same, here this is called as base, okay, and the powers are different. M and n are the two powers, okay. So when the bases are same, see here is also x, here is also x, but the powers are different, okay. Here x to the power n and here x to the power n, and these two are multiplied. ओके, जब ये दोनों आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, तो एज द बेसिस आर सेम, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, द पावर्स आर गोइंग टू एड अप. आई विल टेक द एग्जांपल, आई विल टेक वन एग्जांपल आल्सो टू मेक इट मोर क्लियर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आपका जो पावर्स है वो डिफरेंट है, बेस जो है आपका सेम है, और ऑपरेशन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन अप्लाइड है, तो आपके पावर्स क्या हो जाते हैं, ऐड हो जाते हैं. तो इसको आप सिंपल अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन से, जब आपके अलजेब्रिक टर्म्स होते हैं, तो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई इन दैट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग x to the power 6 into x to the power minus 2. okay, so here the bases are same. यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x है, ये बेस है, इसका पावर, एक का पावर 6 है और दूसरे का पावर क्या है, -2. तो क्या होगा, और बीच में क्या है, ये मल्टीप्लाई. तो what will happen, the powers will get added. 6 plus -2. अब x plus minus is minus. So 6 minus 2 x to the power 4. Okay. So in this way we have to apply this laws of exponents while multiplying the algebraic terms. Okay. The second law of exponent is the quotient rule. Here, when the bases are same, here also x, here also x, but the powers are different and there is an operation of division, the powers will get subtracted. जब बेस सेम होते हैं, पावर्स डिफरेंट होता है, और दोनों के बीच में डिवीजन ऑफ ऑपरेशन ऑफ डिवीजन होता है, तब जो पावर्स हैं वो क्या हो जाते हैं, माइनस हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, वी विल टेक वन example also. For example, x to the power 5 divided by x to the power -3. Okay, ध्यान से, x, ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बेस सेम है, पावर्स डिफरेंट, एक 5 है और एक -3 है, तो पावर्स विल गेट सब्ट्रैक्टेड. तो माइनस, यहाँ पे -3. अब आप यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज नहीं होइएगा कि आपने बोला है कि यहाँ पे माइनस हो रहा है, देन हाउ दिस आर पावर्स आर गेटिंग एडेड अप. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, इंटीजर्स, वी हैव टू फॉलो द इंटीजर्स रूल ऑल्सो. सो माइनस माइनस यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा. सो x and 5 plus 3 will be your 8. Okay, but base में तो what we have done, we have done subtraction only. तो जब बेस सेम होता है और पावर्स डिफरेंट होते हैं और उनके बीच में डिवीजन का ऑपरेशन होता है, तब हम क्या करते हैं, पावर्स को माइनस कर देते हैं। ओके, और एक अगर हम एक और टर्म ले, जैसे यहाँ पे 2x टू द पावर 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2x टू द पावर 4। ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए बेस से ना 2x ओके, डिवीजन का ऑपरेशन है और पावर्स आर डिफरेंट, सो द पावर्स विल गेट subtract 6 minus 4, that is 2x. 6 minus 4 will be 2. I hope you are clear with this explanation. Now the next law of exponent is the zero exponent rule. Just remember, किसी भी चाहे वो वेरिएबल हो चाहे कोई भी कांस्टेंट टर्म है, अगर उसका पावर ज़ीरो है तो द वैल्यू विल बी ऑलवेज 1। जैसे यहाँ पे 5x to the power 0, so इसका मतलब क्या है कि 5 to the power 0 into x to the power 0, चाहे वो वेरिएबल हो चाहे कांस्टेंट हो, अगर किसी का भी पावर 0 है तो the value will be always 1, so 1 into 1 will be 1 only. Okay, then the next law of exponent is the power of a power rule. It means when this variable or this base has two powers, x to the power m, x to the power n, it means this m is also the power of this base x and n is also the power of the base x. So what will happen? This both powers will get multiplied and it will become x to the power m into n. Okay? For example, I am taking x to the power 2 to the whole x to the power 3. इसका मतलब क्या है कि 2 भी x का पावर है and 3 भी x का पावर है. So what we are going to do? This 2 powers will get multiplied and will become 2 into 3. X to the power 6 it will become. Okay? In the same terms we can take any constant term also, and if it is having the same, it is having the base 2 and it has two different powers, then the powers will get multiplied. I will show it to you like 2 to the power 4 to the power 2. It means 2 and this 4 into 2. So 2 to the power 8 it will become. Okay, now the next law of exponent is the power of a product rule. The power of a product rule means here we have two different bases, x and y, and it has one common power. Okay, so the power of a product rule says that this m, the power will belong to x also, and this m will as a power will belong to the base y also. So we can write x into y to the power m as x to the power m into y to the power m. Okay, or you can say like x into y as a whole 3 is the power. Okay, so it means this power 3 will belong to x also, into this 3 will belong to, will be the power of the base y also. Okay, so whether you can write x to the power 3 into y to the power 3 or x into y to the whole power 3, they are the same thing. Okay, now the next law of exponent is the power of a quotient rule. According to this, if we have two different bases and these bases are divided but they are having the same power, okay, here the same power is m. It means the m belongs to x also and m belongs to y also. So you can write this as x to the power m upon y to the power m. Or in other words, you can say that if it is x to the power x upon y to the power 6. This means this power 6 will be written as x to the power 6 upon y to the power 6. Okay. Now the next law of exponent is negative exponent rule. Okay. When we have got a base but the power is in negative. Okay. The power जो है उसका negative है. So in order to make the power positive, we can write its reciprocal. So x का reciprocal will be 1 by x and the power will become positive. For example, x to the power minus 4 and we have to make it as a power, positive power, then you can write 1 upon x to the power 4. So this is your negative exponent rule. I hope children you understood all the laws of exponents. So if you want to continue with my classes, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.